Alright guys, if you want to round numbers in Excel, like you don't want these decimal points to be appeared, you just want to round up these numbers, then watch this video till the end to find out how you can do that. So let's get started. First of all, as you can see, we got a history test result right over here. So we need to just round up these numbers. So how we can do that? Let me just go to another cell into the Excel. Then from here we need to go to the formula bar, then simply type in equal and write in round. All right, then you need to go with the first bracket, then simply select the cell. Before selecting it, you need to press and hold the control button in your keyboard. So just go and press the control button in your keyboard and click on this cell, like which one you want to round up. So select this one, and simply right after that you need to just write a comma. So if you just want to round up the whole numbers, like you don't want any decimal points, then you can simply go with the 0. Rather than that, if you want 2 decimal points, then you can go with 2. If you want 1 decimal points, then you can go with the 1. Alright, so for my case, I'm going with 0 because I don't want any decimal points. Then simply close the first bracket and hit enter. So now you can see my history test, I got 45.146. Now it is being rounded like 45. Then if you want to go with all of these, then you can simply move your cursor like this here on the corner and then simply slide it down. So now, as you can see, all these history test results has been rounded. So that's how you can simply round numbers in Excel. So hope this video helps you out. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you pretty next time.